Fish on.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Bend na bend.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
First fish natin.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Alright, dayo tayo ulit. Biglaang fishing ba? Biglaang dayo.
Biglaang fishing. Kaya tayo mangagar.
Dayo. Biglaan tayo kasi ano. Wala no? Biglaan lang talaga.
Bigla din kayo, walang bigla.
Biglaan kaya hindi nakasama si Nabok at ano, J14. So big shout out in J14 at Bok official. Mabuti naman at di ka nakasama, Bok. Kasi lilibog ka lang.
Dito natin malalaman ko na.
Dito natin malalaman kung swerte kami o malas kami ngayon.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
So yan guys,
I strive just to say I'm alright.
Dito rin guys.
And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Dito kami ulit sa Nanaksitan.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Alright guys, so fishing ulit tayo sa ating Master Bry, si Master Pablo, si Jackson, kilala nyo na yan. Saka si nagano'n din? Exus daw. So field test tayo ngayon guys, field test tayo ng ano, tong lure na to. Di ko alam kung saang shop ko nabili to. Matagal na kasi ito sa akin guys, ngayon ko lang gagamitin. Yan. So dito tayo sa spot kung saan yung mga mamaw nangunguha ng lure. So dito tayo ngayon guys. Yan. Yan. Very big shout out kay Master J14 at Bok official. Sorry kayo. Hindi kayo nakasama. Bigla ang fishing ba? Yan. Alright, andito na tayo sa spot na Malapalawan guys. Ito yung sinasabi kong Malapalawan. Malapalawan na spot, yan. So sana hindi ito ma-donate agad-agad itong lure na to. Field test pa naman to. Basta mag-field test ako, laging donate guys. Kainis. So andito na tayo. Alright. Agad. Alright. Good luck guys, good luck. Dito na tayo. Good luck. Dito na tayo. Medyo malakas nga. Alright. Alright guys, first cast tayo, first cast. on tayo guys. Checkered. Checkered. Deadlift na yan. Checkered. Ano? First piece natin, checkered. All goods. First piece natin, checkered. Alright, thank you Lord, thank you. Right, fish on tayo guys. Fish on. Deadlift. Okay. Pangalawang isda natin guys. Pangalawang isda natin. Yan. Pangalawang isda natin. Thank you. Yes. Si Master Pablo. Fish on. Fish on si Master Pablo. Sige. Trevally to. Trevally to. Trevally. Trevally yan. Trevally yan. Uy. Bend na bend. Trevally yan. Trevally. So. Ano natin. Ha? Uy. Bluefin. Dapre. Dapre. Narigat sika. Nangato. Sabi yung bro. Jining. 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 Bluefin, bluefin. Wait, hook set na, naala? Naala, mayat. Sabay mo lang. Yun. 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 Tawakas. Meron din. Bluefin. Good size. Good size. All goods. All goods. Goods. Yan. Alright. Nakadalawa na si Master Pablo dito. Dalawa na guys. Dalawang bluefin trevally na siya. Sana all. Dalawang bluefin agad. Aray, aray. Fish on guys. Fish on tayo. Metro jig. Metal jig yung gamit ko guys, 15 grams. Ano to? Ah, checkered. Checkered. Checkered guys. Checkered. Hangin. Pwede natin dyan. Checkered sa ilalim. Ibang iba. Grabe. Checkered sa ilalim.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.